Good day, class. Welcome to Plain Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at rules for divisibility in mathematics. Divisibility rules will help you to quickly determine if a particular whole number can be easily divided by a given number without any remainder. 1. Let's start with divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. A whole number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even number or 0. Examples: 8, 10, 2044. You see, 8 is even, so it can be easily divided by 2 to give 4. This is 10. The last digit is 0. It can be easily divided by 2 to give 5. 2044. The last digit is even. It can be easily divided by 2 to give 1, 0, 2, 2. That is that about divisible by 2. Let's go to the next one. Divisible by 3. Right? A whole number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3. E.g., 81 and 264. Let's check if sum of the digit is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, right? Good. 264. Let's check. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 81 and 264 are divisible by 3. Let's see. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 2. Remainder 2. 3 in 21, 7. Let's check this too. 3 here, 1. 3 in 26. That is 8. 8 times 3, 24. Remainder 2. This is 88. So, that is how to determine if a whole number is divisible by 3. Let's go to the next one. Divisible by 4. Right? A whole number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits can form a number divisible by 4. Example: 84 and 1064. You see, 84 has just two digits, and this digit form a number divisible by 4, right? The same thing, the last two digits here are 6 and 4, and the last two digits also form a number divisible by 4. So let's check. 4 here, 2, 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. This is 21, right? Let's check this too. 4 in 10, 2. 4 in 24, 6. Remainder 2, right? Because 4 in 26 is 6, remainder 2. 4 in 24, that is 6 again. So this one is 266. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 4. Let's move to the next one. 4. Divisible by 5. Right? A whole number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 5 or 0. This is very simple. E.g., 75 and 610. The last digit of 75 is 5, and the last digit of 610 is 0. So these numbers can be easily divided by 5. Let's check. 5 here, 1. 5 in 7, 1. 5 in so remainder 2. 5 in 25, 5. So this is 15, right? Let's check this one. 5. 5 in 6. 5 here, 1. 5 in 6, 1. Remainder 1. This is 11. 5 in 11, 2. Remainder 1. 5 in 10, 2. Right? So this is 122. So that's how to determine if a number is divisible by 5. Now let's go to the next one. 5. Divisible by 6. Right? A whole number is divisible by 6 if its last digit is even and sum of its digits is divided by 3. Right? Example: 2, 6, 2, 2. Right? The first condition to check is to see whether the last digit is even. The last digit is 2, so it is even. Then we want to check if some of the digits can be divided by 3, right? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 can be easily divided by 3. So that means this number is divisible by 6. Let's check. 6 here, 1. 6 in 26. 6, 4, right? So we have 2 left. 6 in 22, that is 18, that's 3. We have 4 left. So 6 in 42, that will give us 7. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 6. Now let's move to the next one. Divisible by 7. Alright. A whole number is divisible by 7 if the result obtained from subtracting the double of its last digit from the rest of the digits is 0 or multiple of 7. For you to understand what we are saying, let's use an example. 3, 4, 3. Now, the last digit here is 3, right? We'll separate it from the rest of the digits, right? So we now double it. That is, we multiply it by 2. So double the last digit. The last digit. So that is 3 times 2. That is 6, right? So we now subtract the 6 from 34. So the rest of the digits, 34 minus 6. So that will give us 28. As you can see, 28 is a multiple of 7. So 343 is divisible by 7. Let's check. 7 in 34. That is 4. Alright? Remainder 6, 63. Right? 7 in 63, 9. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 7. Now let's move to the next one. Number 7. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. A whole number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. For example, let's look at 1240. The last 3 digits are 240. And this last digit formed a number that can be easily divided by 8, right? 240. 8 in 24 is 3, so this will be 30. So definitely 1240 is a number divisible by 8. Let's check. 8 here 1. 8 in 12, 1. Remainder 4. 8 in 44, 5. Remainder 4. 8 in 40, 5. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 8. Let's move to the next one. Right? Divisible by 9. A whole number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divided by 9. Let's look at an example to understand what we are saying. Let's say we have a number 666. Let's find some of the digits here. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6, 18. So 18 can be easily divided by 9. So 666 is divisible by 9. So let's check. 9 in 66, that will be 7, right? 9 times 7, 63. We have 3 left here. So 9 in 36, 4. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 9. Let's go to the next one. Divisible by 10. I think that is the easiest. Divisible by 10. Right? A whole number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. That is just that. If the last digit of the number is 0, the number is divisible by 10. Let's look at one example to understand. 220. The last digit here is 0. So this shows that we can easily divide this number with 10, right? So 220 over 10. 10 here 1, right? 10 in 22, 2. Remainder 2. 10 in 20, 2. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 10. Let's move to the next one. Divisible by 11. A whole number is divisible by 11 if the difference between some of the numbers in the odd positions and some of the numbers in the even positions is 0 or multiple of 11. Let's use 14641 as an example. To know if this number is divisible by 11, let's number it first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll sum up all the numbers in odd positions first. So the numbers in odd positions are 1, 6, and 5. So odd positions. Right? That is 1 plus 6 plus 1. That is 8. Then we sum up all the numbers in even positions. Even positions. Alright. We have 4 plus 4. That is 8. So 8. So difference. Now look at the difference. Equals 8 minus 8, which is 0. So once the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, so that number is divisible by 11. And let's now check. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Let's see if it is divisible by 11. 11 here, 11 in 14, we have 1, right? Remainder 3. 11 in 36, we have 3, right? Remainder 3. 11 in 34, we have 3. Remainder 1. 11 in 11, 1. So that is how to determine if a number is divisible by 11. Let's move to the next one. Divisible by 12. Divisible by 12. Alright. A whole number is divisible by 12 if such number can be divided by 3 and 4 or 12 and 6, which are factor pairs of 12. Now let's use an example to understand what we are saying. Let's take 144. Let's say if 144 can be divided by 3 and 4. 144. Let's go with 3 first. 3 here. 3 in 12. 4. Right? Remainder 2. 3 in 24. 8. So that is easy. Let's look at 144 and 4. 4 in 14. That is 3. Remainder 2. 4 in 24. 6. Right? So 3 and 4 can divide 144. Let's check if 2 and 6 can also divide it. To know if 12 will divide it. 144 divided by 2. 2 here, 1. 2 in 14, 7, 72. Easy. Now let's check if 144 can be divided by 6. 6 here, 1. 6 in 14, 2. Right? Then remainder 2. 6 in 24. That is 4. So easy. So 3 and 4 can divide 144. 2 and 6 can divide 144. Definitely 12 should be able to divide it. So 12 here, 1. 12 in 14, 1. Remainder 2. 12 in 24, 2. So that's how to determine if a number is divisible by 12. So far, so good. That is how to understand rules for divisibility in mathematics. Follow all the steps they have explained from divisible by 2 to divisible by 12, and you will not have any issue to determine if a number can be divided by a particular given number. Thank you for watching and listening. Please help to like this video and other videos on our channel. Share this video and other videos on our channel. Please subscribe to this channel for immediate updates and give us your comments so we know how far we are doing with you. See you